Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can connect your Hamster wallet, how you can connect your Bybit wallet or Binance and other exchange to Hamster Kombat. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So I'll be showing you step by step on how you can connect it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share these videos for others to see. So right here, we don't know either it's profit power or main balance here. So this is my profit power here. I have about 6.8 million profit per hour and 2 billion main coin. So right here I'm collecting my daily bonus, and I have about 58 keys here. Make sure you have about 50 key and above. So right here, go to your airdrop here. So these are the withdraw button here, and these are the words exchange you can use. So I'll be advising you to use Binance, because Binance is going to give you free bonus when you deposit any new crypto. So this is for Binance here. So when you click on your Binance here, you click I have it. So right here, you have to go to your Binance account. For those of you that do not have Binance, download Binance, create an account, and search for Hamster Kombat. So you copy the address, you paste it here, and you see a memo address here. You also paste it here, and you click on save as your choice here. So right now here, for those of you that are using OK Exchange here, so OK Exchange, you need to be very fast in connecting your OK Exchange here. So you copy your OK Exchange ID, UID. So you have to click on your profile and you see the word UID there. And this is, you copy the Hamster Kombat address and your Momo. You also see the Momo when you want to copy your address. So it's as simple as that here. And you need to connect this wallet before September 21. So that's it here. For those of you who are using Bybit here, so Bybit is most common wallet used in Nigeria. So when you use Bybit, you'll be able to withdraw your money to your main wallet in Nigeria, to your main bank account. So you go to your Bybit, click on your profile, you copy your UID code, so you paste it here. You go to deposit in your Bybit. When you create your Bybit account, make sure you verify it. So go to deposit. When you go to deposit, you click on crypto. When you click on crypto, you search for Hamster Kombat here. When you search for Hamster Kombat, they're gonna bring it out, and you copy the address and your Momo. You also see this Momo pin under. You copy both together and save it. So that's it here. So the wallet you can use that will give you bonuses: Binance, OKX, and what Telegram wallet. Telegram wallet is very simple. So you just click on connect. It will automatically connect from your wallet, from your Telegram account here. And you can also use on-chain and EBS exchange, but I'll be advising you to use Binance if you know you're in Nigeria, and Bybit. Those are the two wallets available in Nigeria right now that you can use here. So when you use Binance, you're going to receive a free bonus, and when you use Bybit is not giving you any bonus, but you'll be able to withdraw it to your main bank account. So that's it here. If you know this video is very helpful and you love as I explain it, make sure you like and share for others to see. So for any question you need to ask here, so just comment it in the comment section. I will reply you. And that's it. For those of you who have already set wallet before, you also click on reset wallet. You also reset a new wallet to it, and that's it here. And make sure you refer friends here. So I have refer about 29 friends here, and this is my main balance, and this is it here. So this is, let me show you up my screen here. So this is it here, guys. This is all what I have opened. So that was that. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more.